Hi guys, it's Nicole Torres. Today I am going to be talking about a subsection that can be found in Wikipedia. Majority of you guys know what Wikipedia is, but for those who don't know, Wikipedia pretty much is a free encyclopedia. So what that means is anyone that has access to internet is able to edit anything that is originally posted from Wikipedia. And I'm so sorry, that's my cat in the background. But to continue with this, the subsection I'm going to be talking about today is called Wiktionary. So pretty much Wikipedia and the dictionary got together and had a baby, and thus Wiktionary was created. Wiktionary was founded on December the 12th of 2002. And all it is, it's pretty much a huge dictionary that people from across the world can add new words, can add, any meaning to a specific word. And pretty much today I'm going to talk about how to effectively use Wiktionary. So what you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and pull up the Wikipedia website. You can do one of two things. You can pull up the Wikipedia website through Google. You can just type it in. Or you can actually just opt in for typing in Wiktionary altogether. But I'm going to go ahead and just do it from scratch. So I'm on the Wikipedia website. On the lower left, if you scroll down, you'll see that Wiktionary is there. You want to go ahead and click on that. Now, I do have a Wikipedia username. I have not used it, however, but if you did want to edit or add some new words to the Wiktionary, you would have to create an account to do so. Alright, so pretty much Wiktionary is a big dictionary that has a numerous amount of languages along with translations to specific words in over 172 languages. Alright, so let's go ahead and just try a little trial run. I'm going to go ahead and put hello. Once you put hello there, you can go ahead and hit search. Okay, now here it's going to give you a whole bunch of different ways to say hello. It'll give you alternative styles in the English format. It'll also give you pronunciation. So here it's kind of funny. It says audio. This is the UK version of saying hello.
Hello.
And then here is the pronunciation of hello in the United States.
Hello.
Alright, so you see the little accent is a bit different, so that's a pretty cool feature. Now, if you wanted to see more translations of this in different languages, all you have to go is scroll down. Okay, everything is going to be here. From greetings, because hello is a greeting. So it gives you a whole bunch of different languages to say hello in. It gives you the pronunciation if you clicked on it, and it also gives you the spelling, which is pretty cool as well. So let's see Spanish. Let us see. So surprisingly, I don't see that they have Spanish here. So that is something that I could potentially add if I wanted to. However, the Spanish version of hello is hola. So that may be something I may be looking into to just go ahead and... Oh, I lied. Here it is. Spanish, hola. Alright. Let's go ahead and just play around with another word. Let's see what we have. So I'm going to go ahead and hit back. Let's say homework. Search that. Gives you the definition, which is a noun. Work that is to be done at home. Again, pretty self-explanatory. Okay. Translation. Again, you have a list of different languages, the way you pronounce it, the way you spell it, that you can, you can look through. So yeah. I'm Puerto Rican, so I can read the Spanish. I'm sorry, I speak Spanish. Tarea, that's homework. So if you guys are fluent in any other language, you guys can actually verify that these are correct and go from there. Alright, now I can go ahead and log in because I have an account. Now if I wanted to edit something, all I would have to do is hit edit, which is this button here. Let's see how that would work. All right. If I wanted to edit something, it's going to give me an HTML box. And pretty much you kind of just have to go through the whole thing. So the Spanish one was right, so I'm going to leave it as is. Had it been wrong, I would probably change it. But again, you need to be kind of well aware of HTML codes and how everything's going to play out, because this does use an HTML format. So if you were to mess something up, you can potentially mess up the whole thing, which means someone is going to have to go back and fix it. So they may not be too happy about that. But other than that, again, Wiktionary is very self-explanatory. Number of languages that you can just go in and really see what the translation is, what the meaning is, how you can use it in a sentence. Things as synonyms, antonyms, they're all going to be in Wiktionary. Now, just keep in mind the accuracy of Wiktionary may not be 100%. Again, Wiktionary is a place where anyone can pretty much edit. It runs off of people editing it. So, just like its sister project, Wikipedia, it is run by the Wikimedia Foundation. So, pretty much it is written collaboratively by volunteers. So, again, credibility-wise, you may want to double-check your sources because Wikipedia or Wiktionary may not be 100% accurate. If I can help you with anything else, please do let us know. I do hope this was pretty informative. Again, Wiktionary is very, you can say pretty easy to use. To be honest with you guys, it's my first time using it. But you just have to play around with the buttons on the left-hand side to kind of see where you stand as far as Wiktionary goes.